Welcome to 4-Wheel Channel, where innovation and excellence take center stage. We are thrilled to introduce the 2025 Kia K8, a testament to Kia's unwavering dedication to pioneering design and technology. Watch this video until the end and subscribe to stay updated with automotive news. Kia's second-largest sedan in South Korea, positioned just below its flagship K9 model and a sibling to the Hyundai Grandeur Azera, debuted in 2021 as a replacement for the aging Kia Cadenza K7, which was retired from the North American market. Now, more than 3 years later, it is getting a mid-cycle refresh focused on styling updates. Let's take a look at the exterior. The highlight is the new LED headlights, inspired by electric models like the Kia EV9. The sleek Tiger nose grille now features a high-tech LED bar, while the vertical daytime running lights evoke the Cadillac CT5. Additionally, a sculpted bonnet and redesigned front bumper are part of the extensive facelift, which includes a larger lower intake designed to cool the engine effectively. Kia has yet to release any interior photos, but minor updates are anticipated. The outgoing K8 already features dual 12.3-inch screens, a 12-inch head-up display, and a slew of ADAS systems. We don't have any details on the powertrain yet, but it will likely be carried over from the current lineup. The existing model offers 2.5-liter and 3.5-liter petrol engines, a self-charging hybrid, and an LPG option. Kia promises to reveal detailed specifications and Korean pricing for the facelift K8 in mid-August. Since its 2021 debut, the outgoing K8 has sold over 130,000 units in its home market. What do you think? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for the latest news and in-depth review of the 2025 Kia K8. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to get all the latest information about the automotive world. Thanks for watching, and see you again on the 4-Wheel Channel.